most tasty, most delicious, this is what we're gonna use. All right? So, without further ado, we're gonna get into the making of the shrimp and grits, my man. And I'm gonna let you, when it's all done, taste it. So the recipe be posted, folks. I'm gonna run through some things as I make it. This is not Food Network, so I'm not gonna do a little, a clean step by step. We'll post the recipe, and it'll be very easy for you to follow. So here we go. Hey, hello, Uncle Marv's beef bacon family out there. I'm Uncle Marv.
How you doing? I'm Martin Nicoletti.
Today we want to bring to you one of our exclusive flavors, scorpion pepper beef bacon.
Oh man.
Now, you guys already know how spicy my Scotch bonnet is, the chipotle maple, the jalapeno maple, but some people want to kick it up a notch. The world's hottest pepper currently is the Trinidadian scorpion pepper, and we load it in here. Now, some people, I've seen videos on Instagram and Facebook with people painting pork bacon with all kinds of nonsense. That's not what happens when you make this. It needs to be done when the bacon's made into bacon. Bacon needs to be cured. With our product, the heat is made inside, and I still throw peppers on top. So when I tell you it's hot, if you like spicy, this is the flavor for you. Another thing I like to address while we're here is that our packs. These packs, the slice count on a pack of bacon, 6-ounce pack of beef bacon, is equivalent to the slice count of a 12 to 14-ounce pack of pork bacon. As we all know, pork costs way less than beef. And I tell people all the time that we only use premium beef. We use prime, grade A, USDA, prime beef. We also use exclusively Wagyu from Meat and Bone. I want to give a shout out to my man Thomas at Meat and Bone, and they have the best Wagyu. We get the navels from them, and the Wagyu is exquisite. All right? So I'd like to thank everybody for supporting us. The scorpion pepper, it'll be available on our website. Go to unclemarvinsbeefbacon.com. You can find it. Comes in a 4-pack. Throw 3 in your freezer, and you got a pack to eat right away. Uncle Marvin,
Real deal.
my man Marty, we appreciate your support. We're out.
Alright, we're going to start our grits. First, we're going to salt the water, bring it to a boil. I like to go ahead and measure my grits out ahead of time, so once the water boils, we just go ahead and start mixing it in. Now, I like to use Lakeside Yellow Grits. I think they're one of the best grits available, but you can use the grits of your choice. Alright, we're going to bring the water on for a boil. We'll be back. In the meantime, we're going to go ahead and rough cut these peppers. Now, you don't have to be a chef and worry about any, technique. I mean, if you like size, conformity, then, do you. But for me, just a nice little rough chop is fine. And we're going to do that for our peppers, and we'll add onions later. Alright, let's get back to our grits. Okay, pour the grits in while we keep a stir on it. And I like to stir just fast, it'll start to thicken quickly. And just let that go, it takes a little time. While these grits are thickening, let's go get our shrimp ready. First, we're going to slice up some lemons. Just cut them in half. And we're going to squeeze the juice all on our shrimp. Next, we're going to add some cayenne pepper after we finish these lemons. I like my shrimp have a little extra kick, even more so than what the bacon lends to it. So we're going to use a little cayenne pepper. Now we're going to mix this around with the lemon juice and coat them right nice. Gonna let that sit. Alright, let's go cut our sausages.
So, Uncle Marv, a couple of people online have been telling us, you know what, I would like our bacon sliced a little bit thicker. Would you please tell the people at home why we sliced it this thin?
Well, firstly, beef is a different texture of pork. Beef crisps up deliciously. As you see, this is crispy bacon. You can crumble it.
You hear it?
It's not chewy. It's not like beef jerky. It's like bacon, the texture's supposed to be. Now, because beef is a denser meat, 6 ounces of beef bacon is equivalent to 12 to 14 ounces of pork so far as slice count. But you want to have it bacon textured as well as flavor, which is why we cut it thin. And I just wanted to go ahead and let the people know about that. The second thing I want to tell people is, here's a pack of our bacon. This flavor happens to be scorpion pepper. Now, as you look at the pack, you want to peel from the left-hand side as you're looking at it, your slices. Because they're thin and the way we lay them, this is the side that it will be easiest for people to peel on. Now, because we cut it thin and cows come in different sizes, some stomachs are large and wide, some are small and thin. Some slices will be slightly hard to pull up. What you need to do is refrigerate it, put it in your freezer for a little bit, let it harden up, and then peel from the left-hand side, and it'll be a lot easier.
Alright, our grits are nice and thickening up now. So in a few minutes we're going to add milk and cheese to this so the grits will be finished off. But let's get ready to do our roux right now. I use this Tony Castro's roux. That way you don't have to make it from scratch. It's a great product. Now you can just follow directions on the back of the bottle. And it's easy as putting the water in the pan, adding the roux, and just being patient and stirring until it thickens up.
What we do here is go back.
Okay, now it's time to get back to our grits. This roux is thickening up real nice. Just gonna go ahead and give it a little more stirring here. And you want to let it go till it starts to really get thick. Okay, we're gonna use sharp cheddar. Now we take this off the heat, guys. We're gonna go ahead and add our milk. Whisk in the milk. Make sure you're getting that. You'll notice the grits take on this nice, rich, creamy feeling. You don't need a lot of milk. Just follow the recipe, guys. Now we're going to add our sharp cheddar. Now you can use mild cheddar if you choose, but I think sharp cheddar goes in nice with the heat. And just keep stirring that with it. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and caramelize our sausage. And once they're caramelized, we're going to set them off to the side. Alright, it's important to have a hot pan. There, our sausage are nice and caramelized, and we're going to sit these off in a container on the side. We're going to use the same hot pan for our peppers. Now we're going to get that pan that we cooked our bacon on, and we're going to take the grease from this pan and use that to caramelize our peppers in. Now, because we used a spicy bacon, you might want to wear a mask at this part. It's going to make it like tear gas in your kitchen for a few seconds because our bacon is hot. Alright, now we're going to add some onion. I like to just go ahead and rough chop that. Not a big deal. Okay, now we got our onions nice and chopped. We're gonna add those to the pan. That's right. Now we're gonna add some garlic. I like lots of garlic, so you can put garlic in according to the recipe, or you can add a little extra. Just don't go too crazy with it. Now, that's nice when the vegetables are nice and tender. That's how you want them. We're gonna go ahead and throw our shrimp in. Sausage first, stir it. Then we're gonna add the shrimp to the deal. Make sure everything is well incorporated, stir it around. Now, once we get to this point, we're gonna crumble up the bacon and we're gonna add that to the dish. Just go ahead, stir it up, get everything mixed in great. Now, last up, we're gonna go ahead and add our roux. Nice and thick. Make sure you use a rubber spatula and get it all out that pan. All right. Now we need chicken stock. We're gonna go ahead and add some chicken stock to this. And during this point, you can have the heat off of your owl until you get everything in, and then bring it on low if you want. Worcestershire sauce. Smells wonderful. We're gonna get all that mixed in. All right, this dish is done, guys. This is a finished product. Look at that. Smells delicious. Nice creamy grits. Now let's go plate this. Voila. Uncle Marv's old-fashioned shrimp and grits. And here we have it, Uncle Marv's old-fashioned shrimp and grits, using our Scotch bonnet beef bacon or our scorpion pepper beef bacon, depending on how you want to make it. So bon appetit, enjoy, guys. Thanks for watching our video. See us at unclemarvsbeefbacon.com. Visit our YouTube and find us on Instagram. Thanks for your support.